Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to restore WhatsApp chat from local backup. All right, let's begin. First, uninstall WhatsApp from your Android device. Go to Google Drive settings and turn off WhatsApp backup. Download and reinstall WhatsApp from the Play Store. Open WhatsApp and wait a few seconds without touching the app. Then minimize WhatsApp and navigate to Android, Media, WhatsApp to find your backup files. Copy all files from the backup folder and paste them into Android, Media, WhatsApp. Disable mobile data and Wi-Fi, then open WhatsApp and allow local storage access. Wait a few seconds, then enable mobile data or Wi-Fi. When prompted, tap Restore to recover your messages and media from local storage. Make sure all files are properly copied to avoid errors. After restoration, your chats and media will appear as they were in the backup. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.